We went through the APA headings and subheadings very briefly in the quick run-through video. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out here. This video will lay out everything you need to know about formatting the headings and subheadings. Google Docs comes with headings format like this that are not in APA format. I'll show you how to set it up for every heading so you can format them super easily. Heading 1 is centered, bold, with title case capitalization. Head over here, click Update Heading 1 to match. So next time if you're using Heading 1, just click this instead of formatting them individually. Use this heading for the main elements for your paper, such as methods, results, conclusions, etc. Heading 2 is left aligned, bold, with title case capitalization. We will also click this and update Heading 2 to match. You should do this to all 5 headings for APA. Use Heading 2 for subsections under Heading 1. For example, this is for participant selection and procedure under methods. Heading 3 is indented, bold, with sentence case capitalization and a final period. Then the body text starts immediately after the period. Use this under Heading 2, so sections like data collection and data processing that goes under procedure should be Heading 3. Heading 4 is like Heading 3, but also italicized. If you have more subsections under Heading 3, then use Heading 4 and 5 for them. Heading 5 is like Heading 4, but not bolded. Depending on your paper, some requires more heading levels, some less. Just use as many as you need. For Heading 1 and 2, we use title case capitalization. You capitalize the first word of the title and all major words, meaning all words that have 4 or more letters. With this example, see how only off and on are not capitalized? For Heading 3 to 5, sentence case capitalization. It's like how you would normally capitalize a sentence, so the first word and proper nouns like the United States. After you've set up all the headings, you can generate a table of contents automatically with a click. Boom! There you have it. Yep, you nailed it! That's all about headings in APA format. Next up is the reference page. Make sure to drop a like and set up Scribbr. I'll see you there!